Hello friends, in this video we'll talk about muscles of the anterior abdomen. What are the muscles we will see? First, external and internal oblique, then transversus and rectus abdominis, then pyramidalis and cremaster. First, external oblique, origin insertion is clear from the diagram. So origin, it is in small slips from the 5th to 12th rib. From the 5th to 12th rib, small slips will be coming and it will insert into the iliac crest along with the aponeurosis. Please remember this point. External and internal oblique with transversus abdominis will have the aponeurosis. Okay. Anyway, insertion into the iliac crest, nerve supply, intercostal and subcostal nerve. Okay. What does it do? Compress the abdomen, flexes the trunk and active in the forced expiration. That is the action of this muscle. Okay. Then internal oblique. It will be inside. That is from the which ribs? 8th to 12th rib. The last 5 ribs. Okay. Insertion into the same iliac crest only with the inguinal ligament also. Please add extra inguinal ligament. Nerve supply is same as that of external oblique only. Just compare and see. So extra L1 will come. That's all. Okay. So what does it do? Compresses abdomen. So same function as that of the internal or external oblique. Okay. That is about internal oblique. Next will be the transversus abdominis muscle. This will come from the lower 6 ribs. From the lower 6 ribs it will come. Insertion is same as that of the oblique muscles only. Nerve supply also the same and action is also the same. Remember, for these 3 muscles, common nerve supply, intercostal and subcostal nerve, iliohypogastric and inguinal nerve. This L1 will not be there in external oblique. Remember, function will be the same for all the 3, compressing the abdomen and depressing the ribs. That's all. Next, rectus abdominis muscle. Okay, this is coming from the 5th to 7th rib. You are seeing 5th to the 7th rib and the xiphoid process inserting into the pubic tubercle. Okay, where is the insertion? Pubic tubercle. Nerve supply, intercostal and subcostal. Mostly remember, okay, inter and subcostal nerve. What does it do? It depresses the ribs and flexes the trunk. Okay, just remember, it will depress the ribs. Let us see pyramidalis. This is a vestigial muscle in the human being. Okay, many are there, vestigial muscles, just like the auricular muscles. They are vestigial. So we are finding this muscle. It is coming from the pubis, from the body of the pubis, inserting in the linea alba. Okay, supplied by the subcostal nerve, which will tense the linea alba. Okay. Lastly, we will see the cremaster muscle. So it is coming from the inguinal ligament and from the internal oblique. It will run through an inverted U-shaped manner and insert as U-shaped loops. You are seeing into the pubic crest. Okay. It is supplied by the genitofemoral nerve. It retracts the testis, covered by cremastric fascia. Okay. So references from where I took the pictures. That brings us to end of the video. So thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video.